Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. Thank you for stopping by. So today's video is just a little bit of an update and to apologize for not having a look this week. I am scoping on my new headcast, so I hope you enjoy that one. That's coming out soon. But the reason why I'm taking this week off is I want to let you guys know that I am getting the rest of my tattoo sleeve completed. I will be in Atlanta by the time that you guys get this video, and I will be home healing, so I want to give myself an opportunity to do that without having to worry about moving my arm around. I'm going for a small fill in a bunch of areas. So my tattoo, and as you can see, the sleeve is going to be complete and it's going to be all over, so it's a bit hard. If you know anything about healing a tattoo, it's hard to move your arm after so many days, but that's why I'm wearing no sleeves, so you can see my artist's work. He is in Atlanta. His name is Cory Cartwright, and I intend to do an artist showcase and feature his work sometime soon. But if you would like a progress report, if you'd like to see some of the footage when I go into the shop, let me know. Tattoo tour, would you like to see it? I do appreciate all mediums of art, tattoos included. So if that's something you like to see, let me know. And if you like to find sneak peeks, behind the scenes footage, or vote on my next look, you could find me on Instagram and Twitter. Those links are below, and it just gives you a little bit more of some fun stuff than what you normally get just by watching the channel. But I do appreciate you all being here, and I hope to see you again real soon. And I'm very excited to be sculpting on my full head cast. I hope you enjoy the look, and until I see you next time, bye.